In this video, I will be unboxing, setting up, and reviewing the Acer CB342CK gaming monitor. You can see the specs on the screen. It's a 34-inch ultra-wide monitor with 21:9 aspect ratio. It can display in QHD up to 3440 times 1440 at 75 Hz. It's basically a gaming monitor, and it's fairly big. It's not too heavy. And here, to remove the box, you need to remove the latches to the outside, as you see in the video, and carefully slide it up. These are the accessories. So it comes, of course, with a power cable, with an HDMI 2.0 cable. This is the USB hub cable. It has two USB ports 3.0. This is the user manual, and the 4 screws that will attach the neck to the screen. This is the base of the monitor. It's pretty heavy. It's very well made. And as you will see, it also swivels. And this is the neck that will attach to the monitor and to the base. It has a very good feel to it. So these are the 3 pins that should attach the neck to the base. It has only 1 screw, and these are the pins. So align the pins to the base, as you see, and just put it and screw it with the screw. It's pretty straightforward. And here I will show you the swivel of the base. It really swivels effortlessly. Here it is. It's pretty heavy base. Here is the monitor. Carefully unbox it. Make sure you put your hand on the monitor so it doesn't fall. It is very well protected. I mean, the monitor really feels of a very, very good quality. Here you have the VESA mount, where you put the neck. I'm gonna show you in a bit how to do it. It has a latch that goes in, as you will see. These are the 2 latches. Look on the upper right corner of the video how I put them. And just put it, and then tighten it with the 4 screws that are provided. Tighten it diagonally, so put the screws diagonally. It's always better like this. And then after you put them, tighten them one by one. And this is the monitor assembled and ready to be connected. So it tilts, it swivels, and it goes up and down. These are the ports. You have 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, 1 display port, an audio jack 3.5, and a USB hub that has 2 outputs. It's a 3.0 USB hub. These are the menu buttons and the power button on the left. This is the monitor installed on my desk. It really looks nice. And here I will show you how it swivels. It goes up and down also effortlessly. And it really, you can feel that it is steady. This is like, I can tilt it also. It really feels like a good monitor. So I'm turning it up now. At first startup, if your PC isn't already configured to the maximum resolution, it will not display the maximum resolution. I will show you later in the video how to configure this. So this is a PC displaying on the monitor. It's a very, really good image. For the price point of this monitor, I was blown away with the image quality. Here I'm showing you like the viewing angle, because it's a very wide monitor. On the viewing angle, if your desk is not a big desk, you will see just a small black on the corners. This is not a big deal, because you can just go back a little bit and you can see all the monitor. When you connect the monitor and you start your PC, you need to install some drivers and software. I'm gonna walk you through these. So go to acersupport.com, choose your country, and then choose the model of the monitor you have. Here, of course, in the category, I chose monitor. And then under the series, choose your series. Here I have the CB series, and the model is CB342CK. So scroll down to choose it. And then when you choose everything, Acer Support will give you the available downloads. You have a driver for the monitor, documents, and an application. I'll be downloading the driver, and I'll show you how to install it. So click on download next to the driver, save it. This is a zip file, so we should unzip it. And then go to the application and download it too. It's the Acer Display Widget application. It has some nice features. I'm gonna show them to you afterwards. So download it also and save it. And after everything is downloaded, go to the downloads folder and let's extract them. First, extract the driver. So right click on it and choose extract all, and just click on extract. It will extract it in the same folder. And then right click also on the Acer Display Widget application and extract it the same. To install the monitor driver, you should right click on this PC and choose Properties, and then click Device Manager, find Monitor, and under Monitor, click to expand it. You'll see you have a generic monitor. You need to right click it, click Update Driver, choose Browse for drivers on this computer, and choose your download folder, and click OK. So here, Windows, it will find the driver by itself, and it will install it, as you will see. So here it installed the driver. It's always better to install the native driver. Now the second step is to install the Acer Display Widget. I'm gonna walk you through this. So go to the extracted folder and double click on the setup, which is .exe file, and follow the prompts to install it. And then launch it. And here you see you can manage the colors in this application, and it has two nice features also. I'm gonna show them to you. So one of the nice features of the Acer Display Widget is the visual sync. Turn it on, and on the bottom corner, click Add Application, and either choose an exe or choose a running application. Here I'm choosing a running application, which is VLC, and if I want to always let VLC display in movie mode, I choose it here and I click at the display mode in movie mode. So this way you can display something that is related to an application, which is a great feature. And now when you open VLC, it will display in movie mode, but the screen will display in the user mode. Another useful feature is called split screen. So enable it and choose the format you want. And this way, like this software will help you place your programs, as you will see here. I'm gonna show it to you. This is my website. So if you drag it, you'll see a shadow. It will place it automatically in the shadow, depending on how you divided your screen. And here, if I open another application also, you'll see that I can place it automatically. This facilitates a lot, also dividing your screen. Now, to adjust the screen resolution, here I have an Intel graphics card, so I went to Intel Control Center. And I clicked on Display. As you will see under Home, click on Display. And here, if you don't have the maximum resolution, click on Custom and key in your custom resolution. When you first installed the monitor on my PC, it didn't go to the maximum resolution. So I clicked on Custom, and on the width, I put 3440, and then on the height, 1440, and on the refresh rate, I tried it, and the maximum I can go is 44 Hertz only. So after you put everything, click OK. I have here a Intel UHD 630 graphic card. So this is the maximum it can go with the HDMI cable. And as you see here, and it really displays nice like this. Here I'm gonna show you a little bit the menu. So this is a look at the menu. Just click any button except of the power button. You'll go to the menu. You have your brightness, contrast, black boost if you want. I tried it. 5 is the best. Blue light, I kept it on off. Automatic color matching, also I kept it on off. I tried it on. It dimmed the picture a little bit, so I kept it on off. And HDR also I kept it on off, because it also like dims the picture a little bit. The same as super sharpness also, I didn't like it, so I kept it on off. You see, when you put HDR, it turns on the super sharpness by itself. So I kept everything on off. It displays better like this. Now for the other functions under the menu, color I kept it like this by default. Audio I put it on 100% because I can control it from within Windows. And for performance here, you see that you have FreeSync. When you turn it on, it will black out the screen and the menu will disappear. So I kept it on. And when you put it on also, it adjusts automatically the other settings. On-screen setup display, I kept it by default. And for the system, a nice feature which is picture-in-picture. I didn't put it here because I don't have 2 computers, but you can set it up here. It's in the middle of this menu. That was it. If you think this video might help others, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.